Byte Bite.
Hey champ! Are you ready to level up in HTML? You've learnt what HTML is, how to use elements and tags, but did you know HTML tags have superpowers? If HTML tags and elements sound new to you, please check our previous videos. Click the link in the description. So, what are these powers called? They're called attributes. Think of them like secret notes inside a tag, like telling it, hey, wear red, or stay in the center. These little notes help the tag know exactly what to do, like following a hidden recipe. Like the IMG tag, src tells where to find the image. Alt says what's in the picture. Width sets its size. Why do we use them? Because without attributes, tags are like robots with no instructions. Attributes explain, describe, and decorate your web page elements. When do you use them? All the time. Want to add a link? Use with an href. As of now, there are over 100 commonly used HTML attributes. But don't worry, you don't need to learn all at once. Just like learning a game, you start with the basics and unlock more as you go. Where do these attributes go? Right inside the opening tag. It's like writing special notes to your browser. Hey, this is how I want this to work. And who gets to use these powers? You do. You're the wizard of your own web page. Go try adding attributes to your tags. Share your coolest tag trick in the comments below. Keep exploring, keep coding. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.